I left with no GCSEs, and I thought, I've got no GCSEs, I'm not going to be able to go to uni and all this stuff. Like, my dream's always been to go to uni. Then I found out about this course, and I thought, I'll give it a shot, because at least I get my foot back in the door. And then from this course, I'm now going to uni, which is absolutely crazy. Literally just being in an environment where everyone wants to learn, and rather than high school where you're in an art class and most of the people don't enjoy art, everyone here enjoys art, and they've all got, like, there's so many niches I've found out about. Like, I had no idea with heat press. Like, I did a jacket with my art on the back of it, like a back patch. I had no idea that was a thing, and now I've got a jacket with my art on it. It's really cool. They want you to do the best that you can do. Like, Callum's helped me so much. He's shown me ways to add to my projects. Like, 'cause when I first started, I was only doing painting and drawing, but now I've got like mixed media skills, which really helped in my interview at Manchester. They were really pleased with that, and that's thanks to Callum. So it's really nice. Everyone's really supportive, and a lot of the tutors are like really talented as well. So it's nice to learn from them.